Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. I would really value your input on this car I just bought. I have a few different ideas as to what we can do, but I would like this to be something we do as a community. So a couple of the ideas I've had is something like doing a giveaway. You know, I am coming up on the 10,000 subscriber mark, and I would love to do something to give back to the community because I am very appreciative of it. Another thing that I was thinking about doing is it's almost Christmas, and what better than to help a family in need. But I was also thinking that we could do something more entertaining, something like F It Up Friday. We can just start doing the most absurd things to the car, like make the car start off a house electrical switch, or do something like put the lights up on the top where it looks like there's a galaxy inside the car, kind of like how Rolls-Royce does. Or we can just experiment with stuff like wrapping. I've never wrapped a car. Or painting. I've painted some cars, but I'm not a painter by no means. But hey, it's always cool to learn and show you what I know, and maybe some painters in the community can help out too. Any and all ideas are welcomed. I would love to hear your thoughts, inputs. Maybe y'all have much better ideas than I got. And if you have any tips or tricks to setting all of this up, would be greatly appreciated, because I've never done anything like this. I've never had a YouTube where I even thought I could get 1,000 subscribers, let alone 10,000. And the logistics behind everything, because right now I am more than willing to do all the work and get all of that done myself and make videos for y'all. But at the same time, money wise, I do have a lot of family priorities that are coming first at the moment. And to do a giveaway or a holiday special where we give it to someone and help them out. And you know, right now the car isn't really that good looking. It has been abused by its previous owner. There's no questioning that. Now, I did check it out mechanically, and mechanically it is actually pretty sound. The motor's a good motor, transmission's running good. Now, there could be a little bit of suspension work that would be nice to do, and like an oil change and, you know, just basic stuff. So it's not really costly to get it mechanically perfect. Now, cosmetically, yes, we will definitely have to put in some time, work, and money. And this is where I'm going to need the most help, you know. I do hate to even ask, but one, I want us to be a community. I want us to all work together and be able to do nice things for people. Like, I think that's really cool. I've always been a very nice person and always trying to help people out. So with that said, we have two ways to go about it. We could take donations from you, the viewers, and I'll do the work myself. And then we could even shout you out in the video, maybe put your name at the end, show that you did help this person out. Now, alternatively, what I was thinking here is we can go ahead and find who we want to pick, or however we pick them. I don't know that yet. Once again, would love your input. But say, you know, contestant A gets it, then we could always make it where they can come back with the parts and I will fix it for free. I'll put the parts on for free at a later date. I don't know if that would be interesting or if it's the right move to make, but that's the main two options that I see here. And the final thing that I want to talk about in this video is how do we go about finding someone in need of this? Like, do we ask you, the subscribers, to find someone that you know that needs a car and we work with it that way? Or do we just reach out to our local churches? Or, you know, once again, really looking for your input here. I am trying to think and brainstorm, but that's why I'm making this video, is to also get you included in on this, because I want more than anything for us all to work together and be a positive influence on the community. Now, the only stipulation I have to all of this is whoever wins has to be able to come meet me in North Georgia. I will not be able to bring the car to you. Alternatively, if there is a subscriber out there that wants to help out with this whole endeavor and wants to drive it to whoever wins it or anything like that, I'm more than happy to do that as well. So with all that said, I am extremely excited to see all of the comments and just going through with whatever we choose to do as a community. Now, with me being a smaller YouTuber, it does take a while for my videos to actually get some views. So I will leave this out for a while before we actually do plan on our plan of action, unless it blows up sooner. And you can always help out by just sharing the video and giving it a like. That tells YouTube to show other people this video, and hopefully we can get more support on this. Thank you everyone for your time, and I can't wait to get started on this adventure with y'all.